In this video, we will see how to fix unable to view accounts or mail accounts in your iPhone settings. So guys, if you see here, when you go to your iPhone setting application, open mail, and here in accounts option, if you go ahead and try to open your accounts or try to view your mail accounts, you are unable to do it. How to fix it? Why it is happening? Let's see. So guys, first of all, hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. If you are new here, then please like the video and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks. So now getting back to the video, to disable this or to fix this, do one thing. Go to your setting application, open settings, and here open screen time. In screen time, scroll down and open content and privacy restrictions. Open that, and here content and privacy restrictions will be enabled on your iPhone. So do one thing, just scroll down and open account changes. Open that, and here account changes will be option called don't allow. In your case, it will be set to don't allow. So just go ahead and tap on allow. Okay, do it allow and come back, and here just disable the content and privacy restrictions if you want. Okay, do it, come back. Now go to your mails in accounts, and here you check you can view or open your account list in your iPhone settings. So guys, that's it, how to fix it in your iPhone. So I hope it helped you, and if yes, then guys, please like the video and please subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.